The south side show. Scene one, take one.
Hi guys, this is Sachin Kumar aka Gomma Boy, and due to public demand that we definitely did not script in the intro, we are now here with
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ सब को अस्सलाम वालेकुम केम छो मजा मा खाना खाओ खुजाना मैं हूं आपका यूनुस अहमद वेलकम टू द साउथ साइड शो
welcome.
कम ऑन यस साथ में बोलना था वो बट ओके
हाथ दिया. So you guys asked us to start a podcast, but we did more than that because we can.
कम ऑन
Hey, come on, is over, bro. Now, next dialogue you read.
यस
We're going to be calling different content creators as guests in this show, and we're going to get to know more about them. You know, behind the screen, who they are.
This show has multiple segments. This is wrong. This show has multiple segments involving our guest for the day. More importantly, we would want to show everyone the south side
Bro,
is all about.
you're reading that?
Yeah, that's what you have to tell this. I'm just telling you what you have to tell.
No. You told off. Okay.
Before we get into the masala, please like, share, and subscribe, and please comment and tell how is the show. Utish बातचीत. दूसरा क्या है बात करो.
Guys, let's welcome the first guest of our show, Karen Vincent.
वैसा नहीं बोल सकते दोस्त. गाड़ी पर है ना डेंट. Welcome Karen Vincent.
Okay. Today I brushed my teeth with Pepsodent. Welcome, Karen Vincent.
मजा नहीं आया. छोकरी को मिलने गए तो लगाती सेंट. Welcome Karen Vincent. ऐसा.
Today my landlord kicked me out because I didn't pay rent. Welcome, Karen Vincent.
Yeah, Karen Vincent is the house, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Even I'm also
Bro.
having one, dude.
Yeah, you also have one.
Yeah,
Let's
I
go,
also have
Karen. We gotta hear it from you.
Yes. Oh, thanks, bro. Cocaine energy, I love it. After this show, I'll be escorted in a siren. My name is Karen.
Whoa.
Karen.
Oh, okay, guys. Okay.
It's the glasses are here to cover the tears.
I'm very real with my emotions, so
Yes.
I want to show the audience.
That's fine, Karen.
Tears
But
of joy.
Karen, we
Yeah.
want to ask you something.
Yeah, bro.
We want to know about your journey.
Damn. What?
Tell us how you came here today.
Auto.
Was it very tell us, describe about your journey.
Okay, so first of all, there was an interesting journey that I encountered today. Actually,
Okay. Yeah.
my auto driver's name is Faraz. Okay.
Oh my god, that's
Faraz.
very inspiring.
Yes.
Faraz.
Faraz.
That
It's
is
a
so
Muslim.
inspiring.
Muslim means I like. Okay. Yunus, please.
Should I
Yunus,
just leave
stop
the room?
saying like this, bro.
I'll just leave the room, bro. I don't know.
Okay. This. Okay. He's a.
Why
he's
you
a-
don't like Hindus?
I like Hindus, bro. He's Faraz Kumar. I was waiting. It's a prank.
Welcome to Amar Akbar Andhri. We believe in secularism.
Yes.
I love everyone.
Oh yeah, remove these glasses little.
Please go ahead.
Whoa.
It's your show.
Okay.
Tell us about, make it more impactful.
I was supposed to come by cab, but I came by auto, and I want to take the BMTC buses free for women, but I can't.
Why?
Standing with men, I can't.
रोना आ रहा
They're
मुझे.
touching, kissing. I only touching with my husband. So
You're married.
no, my future
Whose husband are you kissing then?
BMTC. Everyone's husband, everyone's wife.
Wow, that's very touching. Yeah.
Yes,
Look,
yes.
My friend touched the act.
Full.
Full
Goosebumps.
It's a heart-touching story. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everything is touching
BMTC
now.
is a body-touching story.
Nice. So what about your background?
Nice.
Background.
Like,
Karen,
do you use a green screen?
What am I supposed to say, dude?
No, like.
What do you have?
So,
What's the background?
what is the background?
Yeah.
Why are you crying?
Don't think of my own story.
It's
I
very
can't.
emotional.
It's very
and
emotional.
very-
dude.
I'm sorry what women have to go
Touch
through in
it.
this country.
Yeah,
I can't touch a woman. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Eunice, I'm speaking, Eunice. Okay.
Eunice, he's speaking. What?
Eunice.
Is he using phone? No, she.
Yeah, exactly.
He's putting
That's
it
a
on silent.
heart-touching story. I'm telling kidney
Yeah,
touching.
please.
what
No.
I'm-
Sorry.
Please
go
touch
ahead,
our
Karen.
kidneys.
Yes.
Yes.
So I come from a background where we have lots of entertainment. My father and mother's marriage.
Oh my God.
Yes,
That's a very nice background.
It's a very nice background. It's a chaotic background. If my mom sees this, she'll hit me in the chapel.
Wow.
She will hit y'all also after
Oh,
this show.
okay.
Nice. But she has only 2. You guys share.
Okay. Her heels will work for you.
Heels will work for me.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
बहुत खाको है ना
Yeah.
वैसा भी.
it. So I come from middle class family, Sachin. I don't have any. I studied in a convent school. I studied.
Hmm.
It was a
You
low-
studied at MCC.
No,
Then
School, Dad.
school.
School
School is convent.
School is convent.
Convent means
is-
conventional school, no? How did you come into this content creation journey?
Like what made you think that okay fine there's something in me where I want to be like okay let me pick up my phone and start shooting. Like what was the motive? Like how did you think of becoming a creator?
What is this? Suddenly you change your voice into professional.
Oh yeah, bro. I was also so I was like,
No,
now I have to
it's
give
a
serious
genuine
answer.
question. I want to know. I've never asked you this, so I
Yeah.
want to know. Like, I want people also to know, like, what made you, what inspired you, like, how did you
Yeah.
start the journey?
For the chapris inspired me.
Yo, yay.
What?
Okay, so basically, have you seen those reels where one girl will be taking crocin, but the boy will spit water in the mouth?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
That music.
Those heart-touching reels. Okay,
The
it kidney
TikTok.
touched me. Okay, so I was like, okay, we also should start our content creation journey.
The Crosin one.
The crocin one, but no one was there to recreate it with me. That is so I only took it. I only had water.
And you became a headache for everyone.
Oh wow, that's a nice way to introduce your guest.
No,
guys.
edit. That is chuma. That only chuma. Okay. So,
Very
Crosin journey.
Then,
Crocin journey.
then I mean, like, you know, how has the journey been? Like, when you started, how was the change? How do you
Uh-huh.
feel now? Like, you know,
Started with a Vivo iPhone. Vivo phone. Started with a Vivo phone.
now it's come to iPhone.
Now coming to iPhone,
Ah!
guys.
Wow.
Started from the bottom. Now we hear
Yeah.
with the music in the background. It's not nice if I sing, but okay.
I don't know. You, I mean,
Please,
with 200K
we'd love to.
followers,
The audience would love to hear you sing.
Started from the bottom. Now we hear.
not like this, but
Like
the
just
other one.
generally.
Before one was good.
Started from the bottom. Now we hear.
Yeah.
Started from the bottom. Now my whole team. And started from the bottom. Now we
First
hear.
line we'll stop. We'll stop
Okay.
with the first. Nice. Very
Okay.
nice. Very nice.
Very nice, bro. Very humbling journey, honestly.
Humbling.
Nice.
You're humbled right now.
Yeah. Whatever I say, you're like, nice.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
it means
well,
what should I do?
Humbling means you're making money, no?
Bro, as if you're not making money.
I never said I'm humbled. You said you're humbled.
I'm humbled by you.
Because men make more than women. Is
Okay,
that what
Karen, I have
Wow.
one question.
edit.
have you gotten any discounts? Like, you know, as a creator, when you go, people recognize you. Okay, you go to a hotel or a restaurant, like, ma'am, big fan, ma'am. Like, you know, this is on the house for you. Or something like that. Have you?
Yeah, bro, they give discounts and such.
Nice.
Okay, so they treat like influencers means there's one different form of respect. Bro. Not
Creator.
gonna like
Karen,
Creator.
no.
Creator,
she's a-
yes.
no,
There is a
Karen,
difference between influencer
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and creator.
correct, but she okay. What have
I'm-
you? What have you influenced? What do you think have you? What have you think you
Ah!
influenced till now? Till now, what have you influenced the audience?
I've influenced. I've influenced my audience like to live a to live to live at
to live
this
like
point.
what? Like
To live. 2025's motto.
Yes.
To live.
To live.
Yes.
To love.
who?
To laugh.
To laugh.
Art of living campaigner. This is.
But
Okay.
honestly, what have I influenced is
Wow. A lot of influencing happening right
lot of influencing, bro. But I think I've influenced the girls in my community.
Influence Eunice and I to do something. Like something, a new change.
No,
What do you
but,
think we should change?
Before we get into this segment, guys, whoever has not followed Karen Vincent,
Oh.
go watch her content.
Yes.
It's crazy. It's amazing. It's lovely. It's mad.
Oh, thanks, dude. Such a
You're
sweetheart.
welcome.
Yes.
You're welcome, Karen.
Thanks.
Karen, I have a very important question.
Mhm.
What do you think about people who date?
Good question.
Thank you.
Who, bro?
General, like around your area.
Around my area.
Yeah.
I am still in the holding hands love stage. Actually, I'm only in that stage.
No, not
So-
about yourself.
Oh, no, yeah, I'm just saying, including me as well.
Okay.
I also can date, guys. I also can date.
Karen is single. Karen is single.
Yes, official announcement.
Actually,
Hey!
Karen,
Huh?
you're single.
Single, ready to mingle.
And
Let's
jingle.
go.
Jingle.
It's mating
jingle, I
season.
don't know. Jingle, I don't know, guys. No jingle bells.
mating season is here.
Chee, bro.
No,
What the?
no.
What the Sachin?
Kookaburra mating.
What the Dude, mating season is
Yes,
here.
no, yes, no, yes.
दियो गाली दियो इसे
नहीं, नहीं.
बड़ा chanting है.
Bro,
Bro, I'm a Christian. I don't swear.
मैं कर दो.
Yeah, guys. Now, what do y'all think about dating? What's happening in the dating
नहीं
scene?
हो रहा. नहीं हो रहा. मेरे से तो नहीं हो रहा अभी. क्या भी नहीं हो रहा. बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Mm-hmm.
कौन भी आ रही नहीं नजदीक. ऐसा.
Are you really?
तलाश में हूँ.
I think Hyderabadis love you, Yunus. I really feel that, especially with the ready character, with the swag and everything. I feel Hyderabadis are.
With the gold chain.
Yeah. They are whipped for you, bro.
There?
What is the type of...
No, you answer.
should
What
answer.
is dating? She asked no question. How you asked, you answer.
Yeah,
Oh, my
macha.
dating is...
Thanks.
No, you have to.
Yeah.
My scene is... love is very tough. 100%.
Pudding.
Pudding. It's very...
It's a love is a pudding.
It's like...
It's a tough pudding.
It's a caramel pudding.
Caramel pudding. It's
Yeah.
caramel pudding.
Oh.
Sometimes it tastes sweet. Sometimes you get diabetes. So
Wow.
Yeah.
it's scary.
Very, very.
But right now, it's tasting sweet.
When are you planning to chop it off then? No, I mean in terms of the diabetes thing when you answered.
Bro, I don't know what...
Diabetes, if you have diabetes, ज़्यादा diabetes होगा तो
Oh, leg chop करता
not
है.
leg only. That
Leg
why
only
leg
होना?
only?
Leg देगा.
Not
Bro,
not
really,
only leg.
for real, they chop your toes.
they
my
chop your toe,
grandma,
bro.
My
Not-
grandma chopped her toes.
Is it?
because-
Because I'll tell you why.
Why only leg? Like, is there something like that?
Diabetes
Gyan
spreads
choding start.
from the feet.
They're going
No,
to
I'm
pass-
asking seriously.
No,
Like,
Hey,
generally,
really?
I'll tell you why.
I'll
Because
also tell.
that thing goes to the feet, macha.
what thing?
Something.
The sweet.
Sachin, you really need help, Sachin.
Hey, I don't. I have all five toes.
For now.
Hey.
For now.
Why are you going to do something?
He says,
You never know,
"Socks diyo bhi konti bhi."
Hey,
No, but
bro.
really, I want to tell everyone that today, bro, I will sponsor your therapy sessions, bro. You were really messed up little. I'm feeling very bad for you, bro.
Your grandpa-
Pudding, you're telling.
I said pudding.
Pudding, exactly. That's what you're telling.
My grandfather has no toes.
No
Entire
toes.
body is gone. Actually, they burnt him.
Well, dude, I feel very bad. Why did your grandfather have you, man? As a
He
grandson.
didn't have me. My dad had me. What?
As a grandson, I told.
You don't start off with dark topics then. If you...
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you don't ask questions like that. Means I want.
We
to,
never
like,
asked about it. When did who asked about
Who
grandma?
Acha,
started diabetes? How does diabetes happen?
No, diabetes.
What is this a podcast question? Okay, this is not
This
a
is
podcast.
not- see-
this is a show. This is a show.
Yes.
Nice,
I
nice.
know that you.
Hey,
I know now you.
English out of the chat.
What is the dating culture according to you in Bangalore? Like, what do you feel about it? Like, what's happening here? It's a lot of fracas which is going. Like, what is your?
Hey
take
bro,
on it?
I feel like anything that happens in Church Street is called dating life, bro. These days.
what?
Like, what?
Two people meet, bro, randomly meet, okay, in Church Street.
Yeah.
That's all, bro.
That's all.
Where does this meeting happen?
Church Street.
Like the entire stretch.
Entire Church Street.
Yeah.
Bro, have you seen like just random women will be walking and then suddenly one guy will be like, hey, baby girl, baby
No,
doll.
no, that is they'll discuss rate after that. That is after 9 p.m. That is.
Tell bro, Church Street. Yes. What?
Church
what do you-
Street is where actual dating happens, bro. Like in Church Street,
So if I need like a girlfriend
yeah,
and if I need to find someone, like I have to go to Church Street.
Church Street.
Yeah.
Okay, Karen. Now I'm in Church Street.
What is that?
Walking. Yeah.
Okay.
What should I do to get a girl now? Like, tell first.
Those little girls are there, no?
Hey.
Those little girls. Buy flowers from them.
Wow, good
Right,
misdirection. Nice.
अच्छा
Okay.
था.
Okay.
Then after that,
Okay, buy flowers from them. Just go around Church Street. If you see a beautiful girl, just say, what's up, girly?
girly
Girl. I can say girly.
Really? Really?
But
You
what
think,
do I
you
tell?
think saying what's up, girly?
will get me like, you know, I will get the girl.
Yeah.
I will get the girl by telling this what's up girly.
I've been single for all my life, Eunice.
कसम से बोल रहा हूँ मैं तो
100%.
मैं तो 1000 बार बोलता हूँ व्हाट्सअप गर्ली मैं तो लिख को देता हूँ व्हाट्सअप गर्ली in different tone WhatsApp girly
What's up,
What's
girly?
up girly
Bro, it
What's
should
up,
be a
girly?
little sexy. Eunice. It should be a little sexy.
what's up girly
Whoa,
No,
yeah.
bro, that's Salman Khan, bro. All of a sudden.
no
I'm getting
Salman
scared.
Khan no not but the,
Oh.
okay like
Okay,
after that
actually
what
do it too. Yeah, you tell. You keep
No,
doing the WhatsApp
after
girlies.
that after that
okay.
what
No, keep
like,
doing WhatsApp girlies.
what's up girlies
Not
Girly is snowball. Girly.
girl what's up girly
What's
One
up,
will
girly?
start.
what's up girly
What's up, girly?
what's up girly what's up
What's up?
tell
No, not hey. You keep telling till she approves that WhatsApp girly.
oh
No, bro, I'm feeling threatened. I feel threatened. Like, oh, sir, sorry, sir, I don't have any money on me.
It feels like Reddy and us
Please
coming
go.
for your land.
Exactly.
Bro, it should no.
Yeah.
Like okay, I would approach like Excuse me, hi.
Oh,
Excuse me.
what a gentleman, bro.
Excuse me. How are you?
I am good, Ra.
Huh?
What you became like this?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you. So, Church Street. Coming back to Church Street, like
Okay.
that's where the
Why
scene
dating
is.
culture
That's where the
is.
dating culture is. No,
Yes.
Have you ever gotten a girl from Church Street, Eunice?
no, bro. I've never been to. It's been long since I've gone to Church Street, bro.
Bro, intro video only was shot there 2 weeks back. Bro. We are putting it
No,
before.
we went in the morning. No, we went early morning at 10 o'clock. We went there at that time. So
Correct. So we forgot. We didn't sleep properly. So we don't know where they took us. Correct.
yeah, so Church Street. I like the street, to be honest. I like
Uh-huh.
it. And
Okay. Tell 5 shop names, bro.
shop
Church Street.
names,
He
I
doesn't
don't
go there for shopping.
I don't. I go there for shopping only, bro.
I know. Yeah, that
Yes.
is. Which.
Which shopping?
Shopping.
Shopping. Okay.
What's up, girlie? What's up, girlie? I like this.
Nice.
Very nice, bro. Very nice.
Thank you for the beautiful advice, Karen. I think Eunice is going to. I see a future relationship in Eunice's life with a
What's up, girlie?
tactic. Good job.
Thank you.
But right now we have people who have genuine problems and they need advice, Karen.
Hmm.
So welcome to our next segment.
Unsolicited
Unsolicited
advice.
advice.
What tell?
You tell
Tell,
us.
tell.
You tell us what is.
Unsolicited advice.
Nah. No.
Okay.
Tell again.
Unsolicited advice.
You made me say what's up, girlie so many times, no?
Ah. Hey.
Unsolicited advice.
Unsolicited
Advice.
Guys, what's the point of having a podcast and not answering any of your queries? We put an Instagram story and we got some queries from y'all and we are going to be answering that now. Let's go.
All
First-
three of us.
All three of us. It's open-ended exam.
Question.
First one for Sachin. At gunpoint, would you kiss Eunice?
Say what's up, girlie, to me once. Okay, say that.
नहीं.
Actually, yeah, we won't because that can't happen because.
दाढ़ी काट तू.
Oh wow!
तेरी
If I
दाढ़ी
cut,
नहीं.
but I'll tell you now. I'll tell you an
No
answer.
grooming.
I'll tell you an
nothing.
answer, bro. I'll tell you an answer. We will never kiss because Hindu-Muslim bye-bye.
अच्छा था ये.
Thank you.
लेकिन मुझे तो इसे हरगिज भी करने का नहीं है.
ये वो क्या है? हरकत means?
हरगिज भी I would never want to kiss you, bro.
वो
Yeah,
shame
that's
shame
good.
कर लिया. Bye bye.
Okay. Next
Okay,
question.
Next question.
The next one for Eunice.
Hmm.
Do you believe in monogamy?
Huh? What?
Let him figure it out.
Monogram.
It's Instagram's sister company.
Sister, yeah. Monogram. There's one more. You know it as that. It's a singing instrument, no? Like from monogrammy, something like that, no?
Hey, that's gramophone, da.
Gramophone. Sorry.
Gramophone. Yeah.
Galileo Marconi.
You're very close. You're very close.
Galileo
close.
Marconi only, no?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
Graham
yeah.
Bell. Graham
Hey,
Bell.
correct.
Why
Da.
are you
Whatever
going
you're
to
saying
get
is
me
correct
once
only.
again?
Yeah.
Super.
So what do I believe in? Monogram.
Yes.
If it makes sound, then yes.
Yes.
If it makes sound, he believes in monogamy.
Yes.
If it makes enough sound, then only monogamy.
Yeah.
Correct.
The next question for Karen. Messi or Ronaldo?
Oh, thank God we're not asking that question. Okay. Neymar Junior.
Why?
Naeem.
Why Neymar
Why?
Junior? One second. Karen, what's your favorite football team?
Bro, RCB, bro.
Why did you guys choose to become content creators?
Poverty, bro. Poverty struck me and I had to.
You're not out of it again, I guess. Are you? Has content helped you?
You made a statement, Eunice. You were not asking a question, actually. You say
Question mark.
question. Question mark.
It's a question.
It's, actually, content has helped make me some little.
Why did you become? You answered
Oh,
that.
why did I become one? That's what I said. No, poverty, da.
Okay.
Eunice.
Because.
पुटिया के लिए.
नहीं.
पुटियान के लिए.
पुटिया के लिए.
पुटियान के लिए.
पड्डान के लिए.
What's up, girly?
WhatsApp. पड्डा नहीं पड्डा नहीं. बेरोजगारी थी.
बेरोजगारी में?
बेरोजगारी, jobless,
Correct.
hopeless, and Bandi sir.
Actually, I don't call myself a content creator. I'm a content creator because I'm content with everything I do.
Wow. Says the guy who only does brand promotion on Instagram. Too.
Last question to Karen. Who's a better content creator among Sachin and Yunus?
Oh, nice question.
Oh, nice question.
Very good. I
Nice
like
question. Good question.
Surprise.
it. But
Wow.
this question might be hurting you.
Yeah. One will physically hurt. One will emotionally hurt.
What?
Karen, we've known each other for 5 years now.
Okay. Come on, guys. Win. Win my
And
approval.
no, Karen,
Yeah.
he. Why are you getting emotional, brother? Fuck.
Because I remembered how like brother sister relationship we've had.
Even we had brother
Yeah.
sister only.
You know
kya?
how he's with this.
Yeah.
No, you can't do that.
Body gaya. Kya rahe? Chat. Okay. So, I mean, Karen.
Do.
Karen,
Karen, remember.
what do you think? Who's a better creator, Karen? A
Karen, I'll tell you,
creator.
I'll tell
I
you.
mean, when I say creator, creativeness,
Karen.
not like standing on the road and
Asking what's up, girly.
that's not what I do, bro.
That's what you will do after this episode.
Final answer.
Okay.
Karen,
okay.
don't forget. Your parents are the best.
Goma,
creators.
drink, pick the call.
Drink. No one's picking his call. Okay.
Okay. Quantity wise, I feel it's Sachin. Quality wise, it is Eunice.
What a diplomatic answer, Karen. Guys, that's it from the unsolicited advice. And now we have the next segment. It's called the Gamma Tolyo segment.
Gomma.
Tolyo.
Segment.
Very good.
It is the most creative segment that we have in the show, according to us only. But for that, we need to invite a character, one of Karen's most famous character, which is.
A teacher.
I know. You play the teacher character really well.
yeah.
But what kind of a student were you in school?
So proper backbencher, guys. So the class clown, backbencher. So you have two types of people when they are like a backbencher. Okay, one is that class clown and who's good at studies. One is that class clown who's bad at studies.
There's one more class clown
Okay,
who's bad at jokes also. You've not seen that category?
No.
That was me.
Me. Yeah, bro. So I was one among those people who really didn't study well. Okay. So when you don't study well, the only way you can be entertaining in class, because honestly, I have ADHD. Okay. So I have to keep myself occupied. So what happened, Eunice? You look a little confused.
ADHD, yeah.
ADHD.
Attention deficit hyperactive disorder.
He thought it was an advertisement in HD.
Yes, actually.
ADHD.
Ad HD.
So,
Yeah.
huh.
So that
Yeah,
is
brand deals, brand
ADHD.
1 minute. Let her complete. You be quiet.
Yes. Okay,
Go
go
ahead. Yeah.
So when you have ADHD, bro, you have to keep yourself occupied. Like you will get entertaining for yourself.
Okay.
So I decided to share the joy of entertainment to others, and that's how a class clown was born. What do you
Wow.
think? It's a charitable story. Yes.
Wow. Anyway,
So welcome to classes, my dear friends. So today I have with me my two cute students. So because of why I'm wearing this sunglasses, because their future is shining so brightly. So brightly. But for these peoples, these glasses are not required.
Madam.
But for these kind of naughty students, Janaki Jackson ma'am is in class, Rari.
Paper. Nahi likhte.
So, Eunice, this question is for you. What does the word tea mean?
पहली बात तो it is not a word. It is alphabet T. क्या मैडम मालूम नहीं इंग्लिश है?
Gugu Jackson. Bad students. Bad.
अय्या टीचर देखो ज्यादा हंसे तो प्रेशर छूट जाता.
मैडम किसका लेकर का चूड़ीदार पहन लिया? वो बहुत अब Hey, I'm English teacher. I'm English identity crisis. Sorry.
Very good.
yes, ma'am. Tell me.
Sachin, please be a good boy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Others, I'll call your parents.
Yes, ma'am. I also want to meet them. Please call.
Your father. Okay, leave. What does the term pop mean?
Pop.
Pop, no. Pop.
Pop.
Bop.
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 तेरा बाप कौन है?
मुझे भी नहीं पता है.
क्या रे पटेल टीचर ने यार रे
अच्छा.
Madam, my dad left me saying, your teacher is Jackson, but I have a black son.
यार पटेल कॉमेडी
Super comedy.
Thank you.
टीचर
That's why now you know why your dad left you with this comedy. Okay. Now, this question is for my dear student Eunice.
पूछो मैडम
I told dear student, behave yourself.
Dear like Salman Khan behave, she's telling.
What does the word addy mean?
क्या
Addy.
फर्स्ट स्पीक प्रॉपर्ली मैडम
Eunice,
टीचर
listen.
को बराबर बात करना समझ रही
Eunice, don't
Huh?
threaten me in my class.
फर्स्ट बराबर बात
You come with me to principal's office.
चलो
Mirza,
चलो
Principal Mirza?
Principal Mirza. So what does the word A-D-D-Y, addy mean?
एडी
Addy, not your daddy, addy.
एडिशन का शॉर्ट फॉर्म एडी
जोरदार तालियां.
कैसा था हाल आंसर देख रही अच्छा थैंक यू
How is it, ma'am?
करेक्ट आंसर वो
Number one failure students, you're like.
Failure.
Yeah, you don't have shame or what,
Madam,
both
what
of
does
you.
ID mean?
Addy. It is.
Cheating, copying करते हैं ने.
मैं cheating. I'm not cheating.
Bit लेकर गया.
ये मैडम
Students, please
Okay.
behave.
Next question, ma'am. Next
Yes. So, students, since you have faces which nobody will date, so what are few of the dating terms that I'm about to mention? Okay,
That is the. Okay,
that is the segment,
Okay, madam.
right?
Pucho.
Madam, how's your daughter?
She's underaged. Please.
I'm also underage. Do it.
What is the word? This is for my dear student Sachin.
Thank you, madam.
What does the word cuffing season mean?
Cuffing.
Not coughing season, cuffing season.
Cuffing.
Cuffing.
Madam, some people try to run away from the bed, so you cuff them to it.
ओ क्या रे दिया सो मैं तो बोलता मैडम माइनस में मार्क दिया ऐसे
So this is a sign for everyone to protect your children from Sachin.
मैडम मेरा क्वेश्चन पूछो मैडम
Yes. What does the term bread crumbing mean?
ब्रेड कम्बिंग
Cumbing no nahi. Crumbing.
क्या भी नहीं
Yeah.
ब्रेड है ब्रेड को यूं चूरती उसे ब्रेड क्रम्बिंग बोलते सो करेक्ट
Absolutely correct.
सुनो यहाँ
Yeah, Eunice.
क्या थी भी चीज को फ्राइंग करना फ्राइंग करती उसे क्या करती कोट करती कोटिंग ब्रेड के साथ ना कोट करती तो ब्रेड कम्बिंग कोटिंग हो जाता
What?
इट इज करेक्ट आंसर मैडम यू चेक
Yeah, correct.
What is the right answer?
Bread crumbing means leading someone by giving them just enough attention to keep them interested, but without committing.
So, madam, you're not breadcrumbing
नहीं,
in this class.
नहीं मैम पहली बात तो देखो इतना सब बोल रही ना तुम्हें इसमें ब्रेड का है मीनिंग में
Bread.
ब्रेड का है मीनिंग में ना ब्रेड है ना दूध है ना क्या भी नहीं है
Madam, you're cheating us. My father has paid the fees for you to teach the right things.
I
ठीक है,
want to
madam.
quit this job.
मैडम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैडम
He is threatening me, guys.
पूछो मैडम जल्दी
What does the word, this is for Sachin,
Huh.
what does the word soft launch mean?
Soft launch.
Mm.
Madam, my dad keeps telling. No, need dad. Madam, sometimes I heard two couples, they go to have a small baby. They try to launch hardly, but it becomes soft sometimes. Soft launch.
वैसा का तो तू ढीला लॉन्च रे
Deela
Soft,
launch.
ढीला लॉन्च
What is Deela?
तू सचिन
Madam, he's talking Urdu and English teacher class.
मैडम हम ना काम भी क्या भी चलता
Yeah, Eunice.
ट्रांसलेशन डाल लो
Okay. This is for Eunice, my threatening student. What does the word DTR mean?
TTR.
DDR
Ma'am, that
Not the powder that they put in the swimming pool. That's a different powder. DTR. What does it mean?
DTR.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're coming close. It's there. I can see it. It's coming.
You are my genius little boy.
Thank you.
You got this.
You're talking to him. Okay.
Yes. Your silence is speaking volumes.
DTR, bro. That.
Dating truly.
Yes. Dating truly.
Yeah. DTR means dating
And
truly.
R means ready.
Dating.
I feel DTR, dating truly ready.
Dating truly ready.
It's a very correct answer, madam. You can check.
Yes. Whatever you say is a correct answer, Eunice. Otherwise, you will ride me over with the car. You never know.
Oh my God, man.
Okay. So, this is for my less brilliant Sachin. What does the word sneaky link mean?
Sneaky link.
Yes.
Madam, sometimes sneaky link.
Yes.
Sneaky link.
You're repeating the question to me,
Madam.
Sachin.
Madam, I've seen my neighbor, madam.
Uh-huh.
He has one wife,
Okay.
but suddenly he's going to second floor.
Wow.
That's a sneaky link.
Or what the principal does to you in the washroom. That can also be a sneaky link.
No, that everyone knows now.
Oh.
That's sneaky. He's like, did I get it right? Affair.
That's true. That's
correct.
right.
Huh?
You got it right. Sneaky link is an affair.
You have
It's
given
a-
him answer or what, madam? My question wrong answer, his question right answer, huh? Madam.
No. My question is wrong question. For
Correct,
you.
madam. Correct answer,
My
madam.
question is wrong question.
Correct
Eunice.
answer.
Your answer is always right.
Correct, madam.
Yeah.
Next question.
What does the word snack mean?
Snack means
Eunice.
जब छोकरी को देखते ही ओ हो दिल धड़कता ऐसा क्या रे पड़े सीने स्नैक वैसा स्नैक दिल बोलते ऐसा
Dil bolte Haldirams hai. She's a Haldirams. That's what you're trying to say.
दिल बोलता देखते ऐसा खुश हुआ इतनी स्नैक किने स्नैक करको
हिंदी मालूम नहीं है पर आंसर करेक्ट होता है अच्छा है
स्नैक मैडम
snack. What does the word eat mean?
Yeet.
Yeah.
Yeet means number. English teacher means at least little math you should know. No.
Ate. She ate.
Oh,
like
she
that.
ate.
She ate.
Madam, once I went to one wedding. We didn't get anything to eat because she ate. She ate everything.
करेक्ट रे पटर
Thank you, bro.
यार
Are you asking for a different ate meaning?
No. You're right, Sachin.
Thank you.
You're right. So, the culture class is in session. So, we are going to be educating these naughty cutie boys on some Korean terms. Now, so let's play the Korean version of Real or Fake. First word for Eunice.
अच्छा मैडम
Kamsamida. That's your first word. Second word, Swadistik Samida.
Madam, why you did for both like this? You should do for one, no, if one is real, one is fake. Correct.
That's your job to find out.
Tell once again what word.
Only once I will tell. You have to pay attention in my class. You think who do you think I am?
Kam Sadi ka.
Ah,
Real.
Kamsadika.
Oh.
First one or second one?
For me, come is anywhere.
Do you?
No. First one is real or second one is real, she's asking.
Oh, like that, madam. Second.
Second. Fake. First one is real.
Oh.
What, madam?
Gamsamida means thank you in Korean. The other one was just made up.
No gamsamida to you.
Okay.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Okay. Sachin,
Ah,
this is for you.
yes, ma'am.
First word, debak. Second word, dubak, which is the real and fake.
Madam, I think you're Dubankur, madam. Really.
The scope for joke.
Madam, can you use it in a sentence and show me? Come on.
You can't quiz your teachers.
No, please,
Sachin.
no, this is that spelling bee edition.
Oh, Sausage Debak. Oh, sausage Dubak.
Madam, your eyebrow went top on the second one.
Uh-huh.
So I'll go for Dubak.
Fuck it!
Fuck you.
Debak. This is for Eunice.
Eunice.
Chingu.
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 Nice.
Second word, Fingu.
No, we're giving easy questions.
He will get that also wrong. tell Eunice.
Chingu.
हाँ.
Chingu का तो meaning. First you tell meaning. Chingu का तो छोटा है शायद भी.
Thu.
Chingu like chingu.
Eunice, Sachin, Chingu. Eunice, Sachin, Fingu.
F means if F means friend, no brother.
Yes.
I guess then no.
Ship.
Fingu.
Fingu. Fingu. Fuck it. Oh.
Madam.
Okay.
But Fingu. What, madam? Friendship.
For friendship, Fingu.
What fuck, yaar? Friendship is real.
Sachin, now what is this word? Funa. The second word, Nuna. Which is the word?
Funa, Nuna.
ये क्या रहा पड़े?
Madam, can you tell spelling?
Foona, Funa.
Huh?
Noona, Nuna.
Madam, proper noun? Or common noun?
She, her. She,
Pronoun, bro.
It's a pronoun.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you. Okay. What did you say?
It's a Nuna or a Funa?
Can you use it in a sentence?
Picha, hey.
She's loading. She's loading.
Hey.
Online classes happening.
Hey.
Okay. She is my Funa. Okay?
Funa. She is my Funa.
She is my Funa.
Okay.
One more is, she is my Nuna.
Madam, tell in Korean. Why you are telling English and mixed Korean?
So that we
I don't know.
understand.
Ah,
That should
you are my genius student. You are my genius student.
Thank you. Now you see how I'll disappoint. Madam, because it's noon time, Nuna.
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 Real!
Wow!
Real Madrid! Real! So your word is, first one, Jang. Jang. Second word, Jang chikkar jang.
Madam, question very good. This you dance and show?
Jang chikkar jang.
First word?
Jang. Second word, no, Jang. Second word is Jang chikkar jang. Which one is?
Very good step you are doing.
Thank you.
For English to Korean teacher. Huh? First,
Part-time dance master also.
I feel Chang is correct.
Real! Wow!
Madam, but
Now, okay?
Right.
1 minute, brother, 1 minute, brother. Madam, we three together can do Changar Jikar Chang.
Okay. Ready?
Madam.
Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, go. Jang chikkar jang.
I didn't do.
Duda.
Okay, we'll do together.
Okay. Okay, ready? Eunice, position.
Ah,
1, 2, 3, go. Jang chikkar jang. Aye. Okay. So your word is Sarameyo. First word.
Huh.
Next word is Sarangeyo.
Oh,
Second
shit.
word. Ayo. Please focus on the yo.
Semi word. Sentence.
Sarangayo.
I Sarameyo. Second word. Me Sarangeyo. You. I don't know.
Sarangayo.
That is for real. Wow. Hey. Korean.
Hey,
Korean.
Wogalao, LKB.
Korean.
K-pop, Karnataka pop.
So that was our last session from the Southside show, our Southside school.
That's enough. Southside
Yeah.
show. Southside show.
Guys, that's it from the Southside Show.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please go check out Karen's content.
Urgent mein like karo, share karo. And one more thing. Let's make it clear to the audience that this is not
A podcast!